Hello, you are welcome to another topic on how to process cassava leaf into poultry feed. Are you a broiler farmer or are you a layers farmer? Are you into laying birds, turkey, geese, guinea fowl and others? And you want to drop the cost of making their feed and you have cassava farm. Bet me, in this particular video, you're going to learn how to make use of these cassava leaves that many farmers drop in the farm to produce very good quality poultry feed, including broilers also. In this video, you will see that we have cassava farm here, and I'll also tell you all the mineral, vitamins, in fact, the total nutritional analysis of cassava leaf. The next video, I will give you standard feed formula for grower, finisher and starter using cassava leaf and other ingredients. So I will advise you to watch the two videos for you to get the best. I can't join them in one video. It will be too long because most of the farmers always complain that my videos are too long because my video is not basbos or where they show nakedness. That's what most farmers like to watch. That one they can even watch 3 hours and they will even request for the part 2. But 10 minutes video they will say your video is too long. So I want to make the video very short. And the next video, watch it for you to get the best from it. What are the nutritional analysis composition of dried cassava leaves? If you're making use of cassava leaf in feed, it is always dried. I have received thousands of questions on this particular topic. Please, you are not using the fresh leaf. You must dry it. And many are asking, should I use oven to dry it? No. Use light sun or air. You can air dry it. Keep it in a cool environment. It will dry by itself. You can even place it inside a room. It will dry by itself. But when you place it under a hot sun, it will even diminish the nutritional value of the cassava leaf itself. And in this video, I will teach you all the minerals and vitamins, the nutritional analysis of this cassava leaf and how they can help your broilers and poultry birds to grow. Number one among them is in every 100 grams of dried matter of cassava leaf, you have crude protein, 20 to 30%. This protein supports muscle growth, egg production, and tissue repair in poultry and livestock animals. It has crude fiber, 10 to 18%, which aids digestion and gut health in ruminants. It has crude fat, 4 to 8%, which provides energy and improves feed palatability. It has ash, 6 to 10%, which provides good mineral content like calcium, potassium, magnesium, and others. It has nitrogen extract, which supplies energy for metabolism. That is in form of carbohydrate. It has carbohydrate. The moisture content should not be more than 12%, which maintains feed stability and prevents spoilage. So when you sun dry it, don't allow it to be less than 10 to 12% to be enough for you to preserve the feed. Because you are not feeding them the cassava leaf itself. You are making use of the cassava leaf to produce their feed. And that cassava leaf will drop other feed raw materials. Because since you are getting the cassava leaf free, many farmers drop it in the farm and go. And the thing dry off and decay there and turn to organic manure. So when you use them now, in this video I will teach you how to process it also for you to make use of it. Then what are the key minerals of dry cassava leaf? One is calcium, 400 to 900 milligrams, which helps in bone and eggshell formation. Another one is phosphorus, 150 to 250 milligrams, which is energy metabolism and skeletal growth. It has magnesium, 200 to 300 milligrams, which is the enzyme and muscle regulation. It has iron 15 to 25 milligram, which helps in blood formation and oxygen transport in their system. It has zinc 4 to 6 milligram, which helps in growth, reproduction, and immune support. It has a lot of vitamins. One, it has vitamin A, beta carotene, 5,000 to 8,000%, which helps in vision, immunity, and growth. It has vitamin C, ascorbic acid, which is 200 to 300 milligram, which helps in antioxidant, disease resistance, and others. It has vitamin E, 5 to 10 milligram, which helps in reproduction and immune boosting, immune health of your poultry birds. It has vitamin B1, B2, and B3, thiamine. Vitamin B1 is thiamine, which is 0.2 to 0.4 milligram, which is energy metabolism. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, which is 0.4 to 0.6 milligram, which helps in growth and cell functions. It has vitamin B3, which is niacin, which is 1 to 2 milligram, which helps in digestion and the nervous system of your poultry birds. This particular leaf has cyanogenic glucosides, HCN content, so it is always good for you to sun dry it. The cassava leaf naturally contains this acidic component, which can destroy or harm your poultry and livestock animals. If poultry animals like cow, sheep, goat, and others eat too much of it in a farm, that animal may not survive the next day, unless they, after eating it, they eat another leaf that will neutralizes the high content of the acidic content. Because through proper sun drying or boiling, fermentation, all these are the means you can use to detoxify and make them safe for feeding of your poultry and livestock animals. What are the recommended inclusion rate in poultry feed? 10% is good. That is the maximum. 10%, please. Should not exceed 10%. For those asking this question for long, 5 to 10% is good in total feed. Then for ruminants like goat, sheep, cattle, and others, 20 to 30% as supplement. Pig, rabbit, and others, 10 to 15% with detoxification. Please make sure you sun dry it properly to 8 to 10%. This will reduce the cyanogenic acid, which is the major content and is a major acidic component of this particular leaf that will make it dangerous to animals if you feed them raw. You can ferment it, gather large quantity of it, put them inside a drum, add water, allow it to stay for 4 days. After 4 days, remove it and pour away the water, then dry it and make use of it. Either you dry it or you can still grind it into as it is fresh. After grinding it, then mix it with feed. If you want to use what we call weight feed to feed your livestock animals like pigs, you can use it and feed them. Grind it weight and use it to give them weight feed. But if you want to make use of them in poultry feed, which is mostly dried matter, you have to sun dry it. If you have dehydrator, not oven now, you can use dehydrator, place it in the dehydrator and dehydrate them. Remove that water. That water, too much of that water contains that cyanogenic acid and it is harmful to them. So, but the best and what we use here is sun drying. You can keep it under the sun for some time, and it should be light sun, please. It should not be heavy sun. Heavy sun will change the color and at the same time deform it to reduce the mineral and vitamin content of it, while reducing the acid also. So you better air dry it. Keep it in an airy place. It will dry off. Once it dry off up to 10 to 12%, you can now grind it into powder with other feed ingredients, feed raw materials, and produce your feed. Please, if this particular video interests you and you are among those that have been asking these questions for over months now, please give this video a thumb up right away. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers and drop your comments. If you want me to produce the feed formula using cassava leaf, please let me know on the comment section. I will make the feed formula for you for starter, grower, and finisher if the number of people that demand for it are many. Don't just watch this video, please give it a thumb up so that then app can share this video to reach more poultry farmers who are interested in this. Many are asking this question. That's why I decided to go into it. You can see the type of cassava leaf you make use of. Every cassava leaf has acidic component, so process them. Let's meet in the next video loading very soon. For now, till then, I'll say bye. Our Eco Bio booster is still available. The by C is available. See it, see the by C here. See it, this is the by C. You can see it by C. Still the same amount. Is still on promo price, 55,000 naira. Make your own order now. If you have poultry birds that you want to boost their growth, you can still use this. This is the feed booster. It's made up of a lot of ingredients. Bye for now.